In this video, I'll show you how to share YouTube video on WhatsApp status in 2023. Before that, if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the YouTube app on your Android or iOS devices. Once it is open, find a video that you want to share to WhatsApp status. Let's say in this tutorial, I want to share my own YouTube video. Just tap on to open the video that you like. In order to share the video to WhatsApp status, just simply tap on Share button, which is right next to the like and dislike button. And that is going to open the sharing menu. As you can see, there are WhatsApp icon on the left side where you can share the link directly on WhatsApp status. Once you tap on it, you will see a bunch of contacts and My Status option. Tap on My Status to post the link. It is also possible to add other text on top of the link. Now, the second option we have is to copy a link. Let's tap on Share button again. At the bottom of social media platform, you'll see Copy Link option. Just simply tap on the copy link, and YouTube video link will be copied. Now, after copying the link, open WhatsApp app, and then go to the status bar, and click on the pencil icon at the bottom. Now paste the link and add a caption before posting. Once you have done, tap here to post the status. If someone tap on and open the video link, it's going to open the video in the YouTube app. And that's how you share YouTube video on WhatsApp status in just a few clicks on your mobile devices. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.